Welcome back to Lula Talk. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of programming languages, the languages that computers understand. Every app, website, and game starts with lines of code written in these languages. We'll explore the origins of some of the most popular languages today and how they've shaped the tech landscape we know and love. Our journey begins back in the early 1970s at the legendary Bell Labs. This is where Dennis Ritchie developed the C programming language. C quickly gained a reputation for being powerful, efficient, and incredibly versatile. It was designed for system programming, writing core software like operating systems and compilers. C influenced a whole generation of programming languages. It's like the grandparent of the programming language world, still relevant and respected. Fast forward to the 1980s and Bjarne Stroustrup thought, C is awesome, but what if we could do even more? Enter C++. Stroustrup supercharged C with object-oriented programming, allowing developers to write more complex and organized code. This was crucial as software became more sophisticated, enabling graphical user interfaces and complex games. Even today, C++ is known for its performance and control, powering web browsers, operating systems, and game engines. In the mid-90s, the internet was exploding, and Sun Microsystems wanted a language that could run on any device. That's where Java came in with the idea of write once, run anywhere. Java was designed to be platform independent, making it popular for enterprise applications, web development, and mobile apps. Remember those annoying Java applets that used to crash your browser? They helped pave the way for today's rich web experiences. Java's portability made it a game changer. Chapter 4. JavaScript, Bringing the Web to Life. In 1995, Netscape programmer Brendan Eich was tasked with making the web more dynamic and interactive. JavaScript was created to add interactivity to web pages like animations and form validation. In just 10 days, Eich created the first version of JavaScript. Today it's the backbone of front-end web development, powering interactive maps, animations, single-page applications, and even server-side code with Node.js. JavaScript has come a long way. It's essential for modern web development. Chapter 5. PHP, the workhorse of the web. Around the same time JavaScript was born, Rasmus Lerdorf created PHP for web development. PHP quickly gained popularity for its ease of use and ability to create dynamic web pages. It's the engine behind content management systems like WordPress, powering millions of websites. While not the trendiest language, PHP is still a workhorse of the web, quietly powering a significant portion of the internet. Chapter 6. Python, the People's Champion. Created by Guido van Rossum in the early 90s, Python focused on code readability and simplicity. Python has exploded in popularity, becoming a favorite for beginners and seasoned developers alike. It's used in web development, data science, machine learning, and scripting. Python's versatility and massive community support have made it one of the most in-demand languages today. So there you have it, a quick look at the origins of some of the most popular programming languages. From the system-level power of C to the web-slinging prowess of JavaScript, each language has played a crucial role in shaping the tech we use every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights on Lula Talk. We'll see you in the next one.